morning, dear children. In the today's class of science, we are going to study one of the important chapter of science, that is light. In the today's class, we are going to study in this chapter what you mean by light, that is introduction and laws of reflection, image formation by the plane mirror, multiple images, and one of the important instrument, that is kaleidoscope, we are going to study, and what you mean human eye, how it works, we are going to study in this chapter, and what is visually challenged persons, how they are feeling, and about the brain system. We are going to study these all the things in this chapter. So before that, first we start with the light. What do you mean by light? Dear children, in our day-to-day life, we see different objects, different persons, vehicles like bike, scooter, or different things in our home. That is a chair, wheel, many things we can see. So I will question, what enables, what makes us to see all these items, different things, different persons? What enables us to see these things? One may answer that eyes. We require eyes to see the different items, different things, different persons. If that is the case, then I will ask again, if you people are made to sit on a room where all the doors and the windows are closed, so what happens if you made to sit on a room where the doors and the walls of the room are closed? Are you still able to see the objects present in that room? Are you still able to see the person sitting on that room? No, because there is no light is switched on. There is no torch or there is no candle is there in your room. That means we require not only eyes to see the world, we require also light. We require also light to see the world, to see the persons, to identify the things present, isn't it? So then, next question is, what is the light? What is the light? Light is the basic definition is, it is the form of energy. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the things or objects. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the things, objects. This is the basic definition of the light. And few characteristics of the light we will study now. What are those? First, light travels always in a straight line path. In a straight line path. Light always travels in a straight line. It will not follow any curvy, linear or circular path. It will always travel in a straight line path. This is one characteristic. One more characteristic is speed of the light. What is the speed of the light? Speed of the light is always constant. It is not variable. Speed of the light is constant. Speed of the light is constant. So what is the value of the speed of the light? It is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The speed of the light is denoted by symbol C. Now let us study about the light beam and light ray. Light ray and light beam. So you often heard the words ray of light or beam of light. These are two different things. First one is, what is the ray of light? Light ray. If your light travels in a straight line path, if your light travels in a straight line path, it is called light ray or ray of light. Travels a straight line path, it is called as a single line, it is called as light ray. So what do you mean by light beam or beam of light? If a ray of light travels in bunches, that means many ray of lights, it includes many ray of lights, it is called as beam of light. Bunches of light rays. It is called as